In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up alerts using the TradingView mobile app. Whether you're an experienced trader or just getting started, setting up alerts is a crucial tool for staying informed about market movements without needing to constantly monitor the charts. Let's dive right in and explore how to efficiently manage alerts to enhance your trading experience. To begin, you'll want to open the TradingView mobile app on your device. Once you're logged in, navigate to the chart of the asset you wish to monitor. This is crucial as you'll want the alert to be as specific to your needs as possible. Having the chart loaded sets you up perfectly for the next steps. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the bell icon. This is your alert center. Tap on this icon to begin the process of creating a new alert. It's simple yet powerful in helping you stay updated without having to constantly check the chart. With a tap of the plus or the Create Alert button, you're ready to start setting up your new alert. This step marks the initiation of customizing your alert according to your specific needs or strategies. Now on to setting the alert conditions. You have several options here. You can choose for the alert to trigger based on a price crossing a designated value, specific indicator conditions, or even other criteria that suit your alerting strategies. Enter the precise value or level you want to monitor. This is an important step, as the conditions you choose will dictate when you receive an alert. Once you have decided on the conditions, it's time to dig into alert customizations. Think about how often you want the alert to notify you. You can select from options such as triggering once every time the condition is met or once per bar. This flexibility allows you to tailor how and when you're updated about market changes. If you want to keep things within a certain time frame, it's also possible to set an expiration date for your alert. Additionally, customize the way you receive your notifications. You can receive them through a push notification on your phone, an email, or both if you prefer comprehensive updates. After you've structured your alert conditions and preferences, finalize your setup by tapping Create or Save. This activates the alert, seamlessly integrating it with your monitoring strategy. To manage your alerts, you can revisit them anytime by tapping the bell icon again. Here, not only can you view your active alerts, but you also have the option to edit or delete them as needed. This flexibility ensures that your alert system evolves with your ongoing trading strategies. And there you have it. Quickly set up, customize, and manage alerts within the TradingView mobile app to keep your trading efficient and effective. With these tools at your disposal, you're equipped to respond to market movements swiftly and effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.